Jamaica, we had our first case of COVID in March of this year. There was a lot of fear, a lot of uncertainty. We weren't sure where we were going. What we knew was that we faced a crisis in our country. Many stakeholders came on board to make the PSOJ COVID-19 response fund a reality. We had partners with the American Friends of Jamaica, the Council of Voluntary Social Services were the project managers. We had the United Way of Jamaica participating, and we all came together to make this possible. We raised over $200 million and we impacted over 80,000 beneficiaries. We were able to get into 60 communities, and we did so based on data-driven, evidence-based methodology. We would like to thank Mona Geoinformatics Institute and PricewaterhouseCoopers for their modeling, because we wanted a data-driven approach. We wanted to ensure that our distribution to the intended beneficiaries was transparent and was equitable. The Jamaica Defence Force led the way when it came to designing the logistics for this program, running the warehouse, and I said end-to-end designing the whole program for ensuring that the beneficiaries were able to receive their benefits. The JDF did an amazing job. Now, there is a pool of talent within the JDF. I am telling you, Jamaica should be very proud of this institution. Then we went to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and we worked with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the JCF, in distributing of packages. The policemen worked hours and hours and hours and hours with other voluntary groups, the police youth clubs and other groups like that, in distributing packages to those who really needed it. I am so heartened by the fact that we could be working as private sector and the state, the JDF and the JCF and the youth clubs and the community organizations to get this done. These volunteers were, what they have given, and the heart and the soul and the love that they contributed to this effort made it really a blessing for Jamaica. We really would like to thank all the volunteers that came on board. People came out, they supported, they gave their time, over 30,000 hours of volunteer time. That is an amazing thing to happen, for people to come and give up their time. There's a spirit in Jamaica when people can volunteer of their times to help those in need. You know, we'd like to thank the corporate companies who had their people come out to do packages, to do distribution, and they really came on board and they gave it with all their heart. My Jamaican people, one thing we have to do in order to keep everybody safe, to keep the vulnerable safe, we have to observe the infection control protocols. We must socially distance, we must wear our masks, right? And we must sanitize. It's important in order to protect the most vulnerable in our society. We have seen the damage that has been done. We have over 180 deaths at this point in time. So let's be responsible. Let's be considerate. You know, Jamaicans, we little but we talawa. For us to pull this effort together with all hands on deck, Jamaicans, we can do anything. We can do anything, working, public sector, private sector, normal citizen, youth club, community organizations coming together to make this happen. Jamaicans, we can do anything together, working in love.